stuck, you've been in that job for the last 4, 5, 10, 15 years, and there is no hope or there is no future. You don't see any progression in your career. I totally understand how it feels when you end up giving up on your ambitions, your dreams, and all that you wanted. But that should not be you. And that is why I'm inviting you. I'll be holding a free live training workshop this Thursday at 7:30. And I will be teaching you how do you get a six-figure salary even without a degree or master's. Most people, they feel stuck in their career just because they feel like they don't have the right qualifications. Just because you don't have a degree, just because you don't have a master's should not be the thing that stops you from getting that dream job, that six-figure salary. So join me this Thursday for the live workshop. How do you get a six-figure salary even without a degree or master's? I want you to do something very simple.